Next, we have the Ice Worm. It's much more tanky than the other worm and also has the Frost Breath, so flat damage is very scary. I would put it up there in B tier. You can save it for like last if you're surrounded by Torch Eyes and Steel Claws. And it's also a roll of the die. Is it going to use its Ice Breath or is it just going to whack you with its worm? Haha, gross. Because if it just goes for an ordinary melee attack, it's not going to do a whole lot of damage. But if it does the Ice Breath, that's something to look out for. So you kind of have to gamble. Do I take a lot of damage or do I not? And it's usually worth the payoff.